Hello, KW. How are you today? Today I'm going to read a few facts from this book. It's all about our state of Kentucky. Learn a little bit about where you live. Okay? I'm not going to read everything. I'm going to pick out maybe some interesting stuff for you guys. Okay? Do you know where the longest cave in the world is? Here in Kentucky. We'll get to that in a little bit. Let's see here. Many different kinds of animals live in Kentucky. You can see deer and wild turkey in the woods. The rivers and streams have fish and otters. Some of the caves are filled with bats. Here's a wild turkey, and there's a little otter. Turn on a light in here. The sun is shining. Okay. In the center of Kentucky, there are grassy plains. This part of Kentucky is called the Bluegrass region. You find racehorses there. I feel like the lighting's not very good in here right now. The grass in the Bluegrass region looks a little blue. The soil is good for farming. They grow soybeans and tobacco in Kentucky. The southern edge of the Bluegrass region is called the Knobs. It is named for the hundreds of cone-shaped hills there. The hills are made of sandstone. You can see that hill right here. That's what they call a knob. Frankfort and Louisville are two major cities in the Bluegrass region. Frankfort is the state capital, and Louisville is the largest city. Many people who live in these cities work in hospitals, factories, and schools. The Appalachian Mountains are in the eastern part of Kentucky. This is called the Appalachian Plateau. Black Mountain is here. It is Kentucky's highest point. In this part of Kentucky, you will find very talented people. This is in Appalachia. They play instruments like the dulcimer, and they also weave and make furniture. This is a dulcimer. We'll have to look up and see what a dulcimer sounds like. Another region in Kentucky is the Western Coal Field. Many of the people who live here are coal miners. Shows a map of Kentucky. And the Western coal fields are over here. And we are up in here, this area. I had to move the iPad closer because the lighting was not good. I don't think the first pages were very light for you. The Pennyroyal region is in the south. Many streams run under the ground there. They wash away the limestone and form caves. The longest cave in the world is in the Pennyroyal region. It is called Mammoth Cave and is more than 300 miles long. Many visitors come to Mammoth Cave every year. Maybe some of you all have been to Mammoth Cave. If you were visiting Kentucky, which part would you like to see first? Maybe you can do some of these driving around trips. Can't get out and do much, but here's the Appalachian Mountains with the dulcimer. There's Louisville and racehorses. Mammoth Cave is up top, and the knobs, and then there's soybeans down at the bottom. And that's the end. I hope you enjoyed listening to a book about your state that you live in, and I hope you learned something new from it. Okay, you all have a good day. Bye.